Plant friends, let's get into the Hoyas at Colasanti. These are in 2.5-inch pots, and plant friends, they're priced at $3 each. Let's go through the selection because they do have an exciting variety. We're going to start with the mint Hoya, and these are beautiful at $3. Just a fantastic price. Some of these are nicely trailing. Look at those minty leaves. Some are branching, and they've got about 2 cuttings in each pot. And wow, $3 for a Hoya. These are, you can call them the Lacanosa mint. Now these little Curtisii, look at this, a really good size pot. Let's get the pricing on this. $3. $3 for Curtisii. I find Curtisii to be a thirsty Hoya. Now this one over here is labeled Arctic, and this one's a Lacanosa Arctic. Plant friends, $3, and you've got 2 beautiful little cuttings. And you can search through to find one that's branching and throwing off a little bit more of a tendril. And over here they also have the Mathilde. Mathilde Splash, $3 as well. Some beautiful splashy leaves. I say cut it back to maintain the splashing. Now this beauty is the Hoya Parviflora. Throwing off some nice tendrils. I love the variegation on these leaves. $3 each. What a good find at $3. I don't think I see a lot of Parviflora while I'm out plant shopping. Now Burtoniae, we see Burtoniae a lot. This has become more of a common Hoya, and the variegation on this is beautiful. Apparently more light gives these more variegation. Over here, what's this beauty? It looks like a Sigillatis. They've got it labeled Pubicalyx speckled for $3. The plant price, this is more looking like a Sigillatis to me. Either way, it's a gorgeous plant and really beautiful growth habit because it's throwing off a lot of little tendrils. Definitely a Sigillatis. They're gorgeous. Now these are labeled Krohniana Splash. Wow, look at this one. Branching, vining, and $3. You could get yourself a nice collection going at this price point. Now here's a Pubicalyx Splash. And Pubicalyx, I love it because they're vigorous growing plants, always throwing off beautiful tendrils. And $3. And if you're into the Hoya Australis, they also have the Hoya Australis. This one's labeled Lisa, but not a lot of variegation on the leaves. This one's definitely a regular Australis. And when the Australis gets really nice and happy, they throw off a nice tendril. Here's the Hoya Compacta. Now I like to see the Hoya Compacta throwing off those beautiful grow tips. It means they're really happy. And I find that as long as you give it a lot of bright light, they don't take long to tendril out. It's $3. And I find that they like to stay moist. I water mine. It's a little bit bigger, but I have to water it every day to keep it nice and happy and not dropping leaves. We've got the Crimson Queen. And let's see what the Crimson Queen is priced at. Look at that preference, $3. A fantastic deal on these little 2.5-inch pots. Now where the Queen, they also have the Princess. Nice tendril on the Princess. And she's $3. Check this out. They also have the Wayetii. Sometimes I call them Kentiana. Hard to tell the difference. Beautiful. These tiny little cuttings. Such a good value. And I love the variegation on the Wayetii. They can sun stress to a nice pink. Now over here, these little darlings look like more little Lacanosa Krohniana varieties. Krohniana Splash. I love the Krohniana Splash. So far, we've seen the Krohnianas that are branching out nicely and tendriling. Some beautiful plants in here. Look at that, nice splashy leaves. Here are some more of their Mathildes. Mathilde Splash. Some nice growth on these. For $3 for a Mathilde. If you're into the splashing, I would say take your time and go through these and find the splashy leaves that really speaks to you. And the Sigillatis variety. Look at this tendril, so beautiful. These Sigillatis in 2.5-inch pot, they're tendriling out so nicely, so you know these are really nice, a nice genetics on them to give them such good growth. Wow, this one's vining out so much. Back to those Burtoniae, just wanted to take a closer look at them. And the Parviflora is stunning. This one's really speaking to me today. Thanks for joining me on this $2.99, $3 Hoya tour. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Felina.